camera for you.
Unfortunately, this water spot blocked our view on this situation. But these bikers were filtering and this guy in the car was driving in reverse. And unfortunately, he didn't saw that biker was right behind him.
I didn't see him, I was just doing that now. And you're in the signal. You was in the seat. It don't matter, it don't matter.
It's broken. It's broken, Chevron, we're alright.
It's fine, it's fine. You're in the wrong anyway. Yeah, I understand that. It's fine. Is it alright just to try and pick, because I can never pick it up. I can never pick it up on my own. Sorry, boys.
No, you're alright. It's never easy, is it?
Cheers, guys.
Go on, get it over there.
Me and was approached by this girl that wanted a ride and proceeded to lie about her age. Take a look at this yourselves.
ABS, guys. Yeah, get on. How old are you? 17.
Can I get on the back?
If you was a year older, I'd tell you, you can get on the back. Huh?
Can I not?
If you was 18, then yeah.
I am 18.
You have to show me your ID.
I know that, mate's just well pissed. Very.
Listen, he's lying.
Yeah.
Can you let me?
Please don't.
Are you her boyfriend?
No, this is my family friend. Get me on the back, we'll go round once.
Well, one, you're not 18.
No, I'm not 18.
Yeah, and two,
No, I am 18.
you just caught yourself out.
Come on, you should let me.
No.
You don't want to let me have a go.
No, I'm sure.
Sure.
Sure. 18 plus on the back of this.
Alright then.
See you.
Was?
Verlasst jetzt sofort das Gelände.
So.
Weil ihr die Karte von ganz Steine sind. Das macht ihr jedes Mal. Wer erlaubt euch hier zu fahren? Das ist ein Betriebsgelände. Wer erlaubt euch hier zu fahren? Ihr habt hier keine Option, hier zu fahren. Es ist verboten. Und wenn ihr jetzt nicht abhaut und hier nochmal kommt, ruft
Hier ist doch kein Schild oder so.
Bitte?
Hier ist doch kein Schild oder so.
Doch, da war vorne ein Schild. Wurde abgenommen. Wurde abgenommen.
Ja, das ist doch nicht unser Problem.
Habt ihr nicht zu fahren? Und wie kommt ihr hier drauf, überhaupt hier zu fahren? Wer hat euch das erlaubt?
Ja, hier sind schöne Berge.
Ja, das ist aber
Ja, wenn die ganzen
Geländes. Und ihr habt jetzt abzuhauen und ihr kommt hier bitte nicht mehr wieder. Es ist mittags um 12. Wisst ihr, was hier im Dorf los ist? Was das für eine Geräuschkulisse ist?
Ja, dann können wir doch warten bis um 1.
Nein, ihr dürft hier gar nicht fahren. Das Betriebsgelände. Und der Besitzer hat uns gesagt, wir sollen hier aufpassen, dass hier nicht immer die Motocross-Fahrer fahren. Ansonsten rufen wir die Polizei, die Option haben wir. Könnt ihr euch aussuchen. Nummernschild habe ich mir aufgeschrieben. Also, ab mit euch. Ihr könnt jetzt gehen, sonst hole ich die Polizei.
Ja, ganz entspannt.
Nee, entspannt nicht.
Doch.
Wir müssen uns erstmal umziehen und dann
Ihr könnt jetzt aber hier das Gelände verlassen. Könnt ihr auch da oben.
können wir gerne machen.
Dann möchte ich dabei sein, bitte.
Gut.
Das Gelände gehört euch, ihr habt hier nichts zu tun.
Das ist aber kein Spaß hier.
Helmet up so I can see your face a minute. And your mouth down. What's your name for me? Is it Lewis?
Fully red legal.
Where's your number plate?
Fell off.
Fell off? Well, what's registration then?
AY23BDE.
So why you're not getting the registration on it?
Fell off.
Then when did it fall off?
Only earlier.
What, today?
Yeah.
Okay. If you've got proof you've got insurance, happy days. People obviously think like you're a scrambler bike. I'll check it over with my colleagues. November 1316 control. I'm in company of the rider and the bike now. Can I pass you a register to run through, please? Alpha Yankee 23 Bravo Delta Echo. No, you need a proper L to be underneath. That won't be road legal having that L like that. A proper white backing.
So we just found a fucking cave in middle of goddamn forest. We've been ditching for 20 minutes here, waiting for Gogo to beat the ditch. Yes, the beach ditch.
So you can see a lot of flower dust in the water. You could go swimming, but it looks nasty. Yes.
Oh, look, the water is leaking out of the shit. Da še eno tako, pa to, veš, da se še gor vidi. Yes, I'm going fast. Provej.
Tega. Ne.
Še mal. To, He's not standing for a second, man. Look at this shit. He just won't stand up, And this is what you get if you don't stand up, Huh? Stand up. No chance.
What do we do?
Pull over, right?
Okay.
Why are you doing a wheelie at 100 miles an hour?
That was not us. That was someone else that's gone.
You think I'm an idiot? You think I'm that stupid?
Sir, I'm being serious with you. I'm not.
You guys are one going to kill each other, all right? You're going to kill yourselves. You're going to kill someone else on the road. You guys don't think how severe it is. I see it every day. Okay? You guys look like soup on a roadway. Okay, you might have the leather jacket on. Guess what? Don't mean anything. All right? 100% sincerity. None of us were doing wheelies. Okay. I don't care. Your other guy is okay. Yes. And guess what? He goes down in the middle of the group.
You're right. He's gonna take us out.
There goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bikes.
You're right, sir.
Take an accident. 7 motorcycles.
You're right.
Okay. And probably someone's gonna die because you're 100 miles an hour. Okay. And the chances of living at that speed are likely to none. No matter if you're in a car or on a bike. Slow the hell down.
Okay.
It's a nice day. Enjoy the weather. Enjoy the ride. Let's not kill each other.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Look at that, you made it to the same red light. Good job. You just hit me, dude. You're pulling over. Pull over. Yeah. good.
This biker was riding through the woods when an angry Karen tried to stop him and his friend.
You need to stop. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You need to stop.
The bikers stopped for a second, but this Karen had no idea what the genius biker filming was going to do next.
Did you trust him again?
He pretended to be deaf and his friend played along perfectly.
Do you not speak either?
This must be the smartest Karen troll ever. She then tried to play the innocent card.
I don't like being mean. I don't know why you did this to me. I asked you so nicely.
But the bikers had enough and discreetly planned their next move.
You can run over me.
The filming biker gave his friend a sign to turn around. They then do this.
We're not deaf!
Monsieur, monsieur, il y a une voiture qui vient d'écraser quelqu'un et là elle essaye de s'échapper, c'est une Clio. Non, non, non. Là, 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 là. Oh là 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 là.
You know how close you were to running on my foot?
What are you gonna do about it, homeboy?
Why are you so mad, man? I'm just letting.
Keep it moving, man. What? Who the f*** talking to, you f***ing idiot?
Sorry mate, he's really drunk.
Who are you f*** talking to? It's a pedestrian area before 7 o'clock at night, bruv.
Go with Louise now, please.
Go down there and see how many mopeds are on the f***ing street, bruv.
Well, okay.
Have a good one.
I'm very sorry, mate.
That's what I'm trying to go slow as well. Have a good one. Have a good one, bro.
Street chasing a ball without noticing the oncoming motorcycle. Later, when the rider circled back, the child unexpectedly threw a shoe at him.
So I was riding down the street and this kid let the ball bounce on the road and he got in front of me, so I revved my engine and I honked. So I decided to swing back and one of the other kids took a fucking shoe, and threw it at my bike. See this? Left blinker intact, working, right blinker off my bike. Yo, you know you're gonna fucking pay for this shit, right?
I don't think you should be such an asshole driving down this fucking neighborhood.
What did I do?
Fucking residential neighborhood.
I was going the speed limit.
Basketball.
I was going the speed limit.
Off, man. You don't gotta rev your engine.
The ball came into the road. I'm letting him know I'm there. That doesn't give you the that doesn't give you the jurisdiction to throw a fucking shoe at my bike.
You have
look at the shoe. Look at the. That's what happened, man. You took the fucking blinker off with the shoe. Like, it's not expensive to replace, but I'm not paying for that shit.
So you can pay for it.
I'm not paying for
this shit. You bought a bike. Imagine.
I bought a bike not with the intentions. I bought the bike with the intentions of not having a kid throw a shoe at it.
Well, I had the intention of hanging out with my friend and him not going in the fucking road.
Well, that's his fault for having that's his fault for having the ball bounce on the road.
You know what? Shut the up, man. Just fucking leave, dude.
I'm just like, look at this shit, dude. The wires are hanging out. I can't put it back in. Like, I'm gonna have to.
Don't do that! You need to back up so you can get through.
So that's our fault.
Come on! You don't need to do that crap, though.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Get off from behind my car. Get off from behind my car.
You're going on my YouTube. Hey, you're making me great.
I got your license plate and everything.
You guys are making great YouTube content. This is great. You guys are great. This is perfect. Oh my. Yo, hey. Hey, I'll send you the link to my YouTube video.
Stop.
Bye-bye.
Phone to the police.
Don't get away from my bike.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Are you helpless or?
Are you okay? Why are you recording me?
Sorry?
Why are you recording me?
What do you mean, why am I recording you? What?
You're literally standing there recording me.
I'm on the phone to the police about a motorbike that nearly just ran me over on this road.
Yeah?
You asked me what I'm doing,
Yeah.
and I said I'm on the phone to the police about a motorbike that just nearly ran me over on this road.
Me? Someone else or me?
I don't know who it was. I just explained, you said, am I okay? And I just said I'm on the phone to the police.
But you're recording me.
You're not allowed to be on this road.
Yes, I am. I am.
Are you?
Yeah.
It's blocked off to cars.
There, it isn't.
Okay, hello, are you still there? Okay, now there's another motorbike now on this road, so maybe you can just confirm in case I've made a mistake. The road... Can you stop that, please? Because I'm on the phone to the police.
Don't get away from my bike.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You're gonna get.
And I'm explaining to you that you're not allowed to.
Yeah, get away from me. Get away from me.
What are you doing?
Get away from me.
What are you doing?
John? You started to come out of it. John, can you hear me? You're in a hospital. You were in an accident. I don't want you to try to move.
It's
right
okay,
now.
John.
Let's go.
Este soy yo. Antes de que todo se fuera al carajo.
Go, please.
Yeah. Hey man, just stay down.
Yes, lay down, lay down. Hey, just lay down.
Yeah. Lay down, brother. Come on.
Take this helmet off of me.
Hold on. I got you. Yeah. You good?
Are you okay?
Lay down, man.
Yeah. I'm fine. Oh man, my foot hurts bad.
Stay down, man.
You good, man? We got you messing around. You good?
Yes, sir.
Second sprain. Wrist? Yeah.
Foot.
Yeah, my foot. Good? You can move everything good?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Wrist and his foot.
I can move. I think I sprained something.
Yeah. Alright, let's
I'm trying to read. I'm done.
can we get that one moved? And I can start directing traffic. I can get behind you. You want us to get the bike out of the way?
No, we just need to.
Do you have anybody you need to help?
Everything turns out right, man. I appreciate it.
Или нет? Ебать! Ты на красный проехал, блядь. На красный. Ему горел зеленый, блядь. Горел ему, сука, зеленый, блядь.
Он стартанул на зеленый, ты хуярил на красный. Ты будешь мне доказывать, если сейчас тебе камеру покажу, что ты будешь мне рассказывать? Дядька, смотри, блядь, глазами, блядь. Нет, просто смотри, вон светофоры, знаки, блядь. Люди ходят. Я понимаю, что окей.
Ну что, бухой или что? Ты что, бухой или что, дружище? Алло.
Видел ты факт? Что, пьяный, выдохни сюда. Что тебе задать? Ты не выплатил,
Прежила.
Старший инспекция
Меня Алдияр зовут.
Алдияр, у вас личность ваши водительские.
Сейчас, секунду.
Категория имеется?
У меня имеется все.
Все, тогда без вопросов. Второго месяца.
Да. Сейчас отработки идут, да?
Да, все, да.
Да
уже?
Ау?
Слушай?
Да, меня уже останавливали. Я думал, просто так.
Просто старик. Все, удачи.
Все, вам тоже удачи. Спасибо.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
He's assaulting me!
What?
I said shut it off.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Sitting out here at 8 p.m.? This thing running for 15 minutes while everybody's trying to sleep?
I've literally been sitting here letting my bike warm up.
Okay, you've been sitting here for 20 minutes. I think it's probably warm enough to go. I mean, it's like 90 degrees out here. You don't need to do all that.
It's literally been like 5 minutes, man.
Okay, I'm trying to sleep. I have kids that are trying to sleep. Some of us have jobs. We have to work in the morning.
It's 8 p.m.
Okay, it's too late for you to be out here, no matter what time it is.
And you stole my key.
Okay, I'm tired of listening to this. It has to be shut off.
Yeah, give me my key back.
No, are you gonna leave?
You're gonna give me my key back.
Did you just assault me?
Assault you. Give me my key back.
Oh my god, I'm gonna call the police. Are you kidding me?
Please call the police. Are you
You
crazy?
just assaulted me. He's assaulting me.
What?
Somebody help.
Are you crazy?